The end products of light reaction process. End products of light reaction process. End products of light reaction process. Light reaction process. ATP, NADPH, NADP, and oxygen. Oxygen is escaped into the atmospheric air. ATP and NADP are the acceleratory powers. These are used for the formation of glucose. ATP and NADP are formed for the formation of glucose. Okay. These are the end products of light reaction. These are the end products of light reaction. Right. Next. Dark reaction process. Dark reaction process. Listen very carefully. Dark reaction process. Or light independent reaction, biosynthetic phase, or Melvin-Calvin cycle. What is meant by dark reaction? The reaction takes place in the presence or absence, of light. Presence or absence of light. The reaction takes place in the presence or absence of light. Is called dark reaction. Mostly dark reaction process occurs absence of light. Mostly dark reaction process occurs in the absence of light. Okay. My dear students, in light reaction process, what are the products are formed? ATP, NADP, and oxygen. These products are formed from light reaction process. ATP, NADP, and oxygen. In step 2, light reaction process, when light is activated on the chloroplast, the water molecule is splitted. Water is also one of the factors of photosynthesis. Factors of photosynthesis: sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and chloroplast. These 4 factors are essential for the process of photosynthesis. When light is activated on the chloroplast, the water molecule is splitted. H positive ion and OH negative ion. This is useful for light reaction process. OH negative ion is useful for the light reaction process. This is used for the production of water and oxygen. H positive ion is not used for light reaction process. This is used for dark reaction process. Already, light reaction process, ATP and NADP are formed. NADP, this is one of the electron acceptor compound, NADP, nicotinamide, adenine, dinucleotide phosphate. NADP combines with hydrogen. Already NADP is formed in light reaction. This NADP combines with H plus ion hydrogen. They can be formed into NADPH. They can be formed into NADPH. NADPH means nicotinamide, adenine, dinucleotide, phosphate of hydrogen. Phosphate of hydrogen. Nicotinamide, adenine, dinucleotide, phosphate of hydrogen. H positive ion hydrogen combines with NADP in dark reaction process. They can be formed NADPH. NADPH. Okay. ఏమన్నా light reaction లో light absent. The reaction takes place in the absence of light. Light లేదు. ఆల్రెడీ లైట్ రియాక్షన్ లో ఫామ్ అయినటువంటి NADP తో ఎవరు కంబైన్ అయ్యారు? హైడ్రోజన్ కంబైన్ అయింది. హైడ్రోజన్ దేంతో కంబైన్ అయింది? ఎలక్ట్రాన్ యాక్సెప్టార్ లైక్ NADP, దట్ ఈస్ ద అసిమిలేటరీ పవర్. దాంతో కంబైన్ అయ్యి దేని కింద వచ్చింది? NADPH కింద ఫామ్ అయింది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ లైట్ ఆబ్సెంట్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఎవరు మెయిన్ రోల్ పెర్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తున్నారు? కార్బన్ డయాక్సైడ్. Light is absent. Carbon dioxide play a major role in dark reaction process. Carbon dioxide play a major role in dark reaction process. Listen very carefully. One molecule of carbon dioxide during dark reaction process, one molecule of carbon dioxide is converted into ribulose 1,5 diphosphate. 1,5 diphosphate. In dark reaction process, carbon dioxide play a major role for the formation of starch or glucose. Glucose formula is C6H12O6. C6H12O6. Carbon dioxide play a major role for the formation of glucose. In this process, one molecule of carbon dioxide is converted into ribulose 1,5 diphosphate. Ribulose 1,5 diphosphate is converted into 2-PGA. 2-PGA. PGA means phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid. 2-PGA. Each PGA has 3 carbon atoms. 2 3s are 6. Each PGA has 3 carbon atoms. 2 3s are 6 carbon atoms. Carbon glucose equal C6H12O6. Ribulose 1,5 diphosphate is converted into 2-PGA. It is a compound. PGA means phosphoglyceric acid. How many PGAs are formed? 2 PGAs. Each PGA has 3 carbon atoms. 2 3s are 6. C6. Right. This is a unstable compound. PGA is unstable compound. In examination point of view, PGA is a dash compound, unstable compound. There is no stability. PGA is an unstable compound. This compound is spontaneously breakdown. This compound is spontaneously breakdown. Finally, they can be formed into glucose. PGA is an unstable compound. This compound is spontaneously breakdown and they finally formed glucose. C6H12O6. This is the end product of dark reaction process. This is a cycling process. This is a cycling process. Malla emundi glucose nunchi malli one molecule of carbon dioxide teeskuni bite vachi one molecule of carbon dioxide malla start avutundi. Ribulose 1, 5-diphosphate is converted into 2-PGA. 2-PGA is converted into glucose. This is a continuation process. This is a cycling process. This entire process work. One of the scientists, Melvin Calvin, డార్క్ రియాక్షన్ ప్రాసెస్ మీద వర్క్ చేసినటువంటి సైంటిస్ట్ ఎవరండి? మెల్విన్ కాల్విన్ వర్క్ దిస్ ప్రాసెస్, డార్క్ రియాక్షన్ ప్రాసెస్. He got a Nobel Prize for this work. Okay, what is the end product of dark reaction? Glucose. Glucose or starch is the end product of dark reaction. What are the end products of light reaction? ATP, NADPH and oxygen. ATP, NADPH and oxygen. These are the end products of light reaction. Okay, చూడండి ఇక్కడ లైట్ రియాక్షన్ ప్రాసెస్ లో ATP, NADPH and oxygen. ATP and NADPH are the compounds, electron acceptors, and these are also known as assimilatory powers. In dark reaction process, carbohydrates, starch or glucose is formed. This entire mechanism, light reaction and dark reaction, occurs in chloroplast. The entire process anta ekkada jarigindandi? Chloroplast lo jarigindi. First lo em cheppanu, chloroplast ki kavalasiనవి ఏంటి? 3 steps are involved. 3 steps are involved in chloroplast by the process of photosynthesis. First step em cheppanu? 3 steps are involved. First one ఏమన్నారు? conversion of solar energy into chemical bond energy అన్న. First one, solar energy దేని కింద కన్వర్ట్ అయింది? chemical bond energy. In the presence of light, assimilatory powers are formed. Assimilatory powers em vachinayi? ATP, NADPH. That means solar energy into chemical bond energy. These are the chemical compounds. These are the chemical compounds. First step success అయింది. Conversion of solar energy into chemical bond energy. Assimilatory powers are formed by the light reaction process, that is ATP and NADPH. So ఇవి ఫామ్ అవడం కోసం లైట్ దేని మీద యాక్టివేట్ అయిందన్నాను? క్లోరోప్లాస్ట్ మీద యాక్టివేట్ అయింది. అక్కడ ఇంకొక ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఉన్నారు. ఫోటోసింథసిస్ కావాల్సిన ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఏంటి? లైట్, వాటర్, క్లోరోప్లాస్ట్, కార్బన్ డయాక్సైడ్. When light is activated on the chloroplast, water molecule is splitted. Second point ఏం చెప్పాను? splitting of water molecule. When light is activated on the chloroplast, water molecule is splitted. They can be formed H positive ion and OH negative ion. Second step, splitting of water molecule. Third one ఏం చెప్పాను? reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates or starch or glucose. Reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates or starch or glucose. During dark reaction process, light is absent. Carbon dioxide play a major role for the formation of starch or glucose. One molecule of carbon dioxide is converted into ribulose 1,5-diphosphate. Ribulose 1,5-diphosphate is converted into 2-PGA. It is an unstable compound. Finally, spontaneously break down. This is formed into starch or glucose. So, one molecule of carbon dioxide reduce అయ్యి ఏం ఫామ్ అయిందండి? కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ ఆర్ స్టార్చ్. సో 3 స్టెప్స్ టోటల్ మెకానిజం ఆఫ్ ఫోటోసింథసిస్ లో వచ్చినాయి. Light reaction and dark reaction. So this is the mechanism of photosynthesis, like light reaction and dark reaction. If you have any doubt, make a phone call. I will clarify your doubts. So my dear students, this is today topic, this one. If you have any doubt, make a phone call. Okay, my dear students. Thank you one and all. Sir, English, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.